Hands up if this sounds familiar. It's the 20th of the month, and you're already wondering how you'll stretch your paycheck to cover the rest of your bills. You're not alone. Millions of people feel the squeeze every month, juggling bills, expenses, and trying to save a little something extra. The good news? There's a simple, powerful tool that can help you take control of your money and feel more confident about your finances. Averages. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. In this quick read, we'll break down the mystery of averages and show you how to use them to budget smarter, manage your side hustle like a pro, and finally achieve those financial goals you've been dreaming of. Ready to ditch the financial stress and step into a brighter future? Let's get started. Let's start with the mean. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you get a grip on your finances. Don't let the name fool you. It's just a fancy way of saying average. It's a straightforward concept that can make a big difference. Think of it like this. The mean is like finding the middle ground of your spending. It helps you understand your typical expenses. Imagine you're trying to get a handle on your weekly grocery spending. This is where the mean comes in handy. You look back over the past month and see you spent different amounts each week. Week 1, $150. This might have been a week where you stocked up on essentials. Week 2, $120. Maybe you found some great deals or had fewer needs. Week 3, $180. Perhaps you hosted a dinner or bought some special items. Week 4, $130. A more typical week, perhaps. To find the mean, average, add up all your weekly spending. This gives you a total amount spent over the month. 150 plus 120 plus 180 plus 130 equals $580. That's your total monthly spending on groceries. Then divide that total by the number of weeks, which is 4. This step helps you find the average amount you spend each week. 580 divided by 4 equals $145. That's your mean weekly grocery spending. Boom. Your mean weekly grocery spending is $145. Now you know what to expect on average. Now you have a much clearer picture of your typical grocery expenses, which is super helpful for setting a realistic weekly budget. This can help you avoid overspending and plan better. Now it's your turn. Grab your own spending tracker or bank statements and calculate your mean spending for a category that's been stressing you out. You'll be surprised at how much clarity this simple calculation can bring to your financial planning. Next up, we have the median. This one's all about finding the middle value in a set of numbers. It's a crucial concept, especially when you're dealing with fluctuating incomes or unexpected expenses. Why is this important? Because sometimes life throws you a financial curveball. An unexpected car repair, a medical bill, or a sudden drop in income from your side hustle. These surprises can really shake up your financial stability. Let's say you're tracking your earnings from your freelance design gig. Freelancing can be unpredictable, with some months being more lucrative than others. Here's what you made in the past 5 months. Month 1, $800. It was a slow start, but you managed. Month 2, $1,200. Things picked up a bit. Month 3, $1,000. A steady month. Month 4, $950. Slightly less, but still within your average range. Month 5, $3,000. You landed a huge project. That big project really boosted your income for the month. The mean income here would be skewed high because of that one big project in month 5. This can give a misleading picture of your typical earnings. But the median gives you a more realistic view. It helps you understand what you can generally expect to earn. To find it, list your earnings from lowest to highest: $800, $950, $1,000, $1,200, and $3,000. The median is the middle number, which in this case is $1,000. This is a more accurate reflection of your typical earnings. This number gives you a better sense of your typical earnings, even with that one-time windfall. It helps you plan and budget more effectively, giving you peace of mind. Section 4. Mode. The Inventory Whisperer. Last but not least, we have the mode. This statistical measure is crucial for understanding trends in your data. This one's all about finding the most frequent number in a set. It's like identifying the most common occurrence in your data. Think of it as the crowd favorite. Just like how certain songs are played more often at concerts, some items in your inventory sell more frequently. Imagine you run a small online store selling handmade jewelry. You need to know which items are your best sellers. You want to make sure you always have the most popular items in stock. This helps you meet customer demand efficiently. Here's a look at your sales for a particular type of earrings over the past 10 days. Tracking this data is essential. Day 1, 3 pairs sold. This sets the initial trend. Day 2, 2 pairs sold. A slight dip, but still significant. Day 3, 4 pairs sold. A noticeable increase. Day 4, 3 pairs sold. Back to the initial trend. Day 5, 3 pairs sold. Consistency is key. Day 6, 2 pairs sold. Another slight dip. Day 7, 3 pairs sold. The trend continues. Day 8, 5 pairs sold. A peak in sales. Day 9, 3 pairs sold. Returning to the mode. Day 10, 3 pairs sold. Consistency is evident. The mode here is 3 pairs sold, as it's the number that appears most often. This insight is invaluable for inventory management. This tells you that 3 pairs is the most common daily sales volume for this item, helping you stock the right amount and avoid losing out on potential sales. By understanding the mode, you can better predict future sales and ensure customer satisfaction. Section 5. Don't be fooled. Averages aren't always what they seem. Averages are incredibly powerful tools, but they're not foolproof. Sometimes averages can be misleading if you're not careful. For example, let's say you're considering moving to a new city and are comparing the average salaries in your current city versus the new one. The new city might have a higher average salary, but that doesn't tell the whole story. What if that higher average is skewed by a few incredibly high earners, while the majority of people actually earn less than they do in your current city? Always dig deeper and look beyond just the average. Consider factors like the cost of living, job market trends, and your own earning potential in each city. Section 6. Averages. Your ticket to financial peace. See? Averages aren't so scary after all. By understanding the mean, median, and mode, you can unlock a whole new level of financial clarity and control. Use these simple tools to create a realistic budget. The mean helps you understand your typical spending patterns. Manage your side hustle income. The median gives you a clearer picture of your earnings, even with fluctuations. Optimize your business inventory. The mode helps you stock the right amount of products to meet demand. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. By incorporating averages into your financial toolkit, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals and living a richer life. Section 7. Take control of your money today. Don't let another day go by feeling stressed and uncertain about your finances. Start using averages to your advantage and watch your money confidence soar. Ready to take the next step towards financial freedom? Head over to our website and sign up for our free newsletter, packed with even more actionable tips and strategies to help you master your money and achieve your goals. Your richer life starts now.